We needed an update badly. These are the original doors and lock hardware when we bought this home, and it was so old the keypad was no longer in production and the doorknob felt rusted out. I want to thank VEISE for setting out this doorknob and deadbolt set because it completely modernizes the look of our front door. The old clunkers were 90s beige on beige and had to go, so we're thrilled we have a matte black option. With a more elegant design and less hardware, we now have to repaint and refinish our door. It's been a long time coming for a nice spring cleaning project. But here's a closer look at the finish of the handle. The combination deadbolt and handle means we get the exact color match and the same key for both locks. It comes with 3 sets of keys, avoiding the hassle of making an extra for our team. And we like the lever style design for entering using our elbows if hands aren't free. The hardware was straightforward, just a trusty old Phillips screwdriver to remove the old stuff and in with the new hardware. It takes a little handy acrobatics to line things up, but it's pretty straightforward and I managed to do it all myself under 30 minutes, including the removal of the old hardware. We're happy with this combo, love the matte black design and the simplicity of the install at an affordable price. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoy these style of reviews, consider following my channel. Thank you.